My name's Caitlin, and I'm a graphic designer for a promotional product and workforce development company, and I give Blender a 3 out of 5. And other products that we had been using, and one that was more cost-effective and more easily available to our clientele and our employees as they're low income. So, enjoying the more accessible 3D aspects. It's in this day and age with 3D printers and all that. It just seemed more fun to be doing things in actual 3D on the screen, and as opposed to the 2-dimensionals. It was much more catered towards that, and that was one of my favorites. It was just really hard to adapt from one program to another for me and a few others that were trained solely on the other program. And so it was just the learning curve was there's not much like out there on that to learn how to use it as opposed to some other softwares. So it was a complicated transition.